to yard sales yesterday, and I'm here to share with you what I got and how much I spent on each thing, if I can remember. So I got this attracting birds to your backyard. It's not so much about what type of bird as what you can plant to attract certain birds. And I thought that was a cool book, and I got it for a nickel. And well, actually I got it for a dime, and then this was free basically. This is all about butterflies, different types of butterflies. So it's like a handy reference guide, a folding pocket guide. So, you know, I love butterflies. So I got that. Yep. I have bird books, but not like that one. Then the next thing, no cup to go with this. This actually Charlie got in a box of dishes that he's going to resell. But this was in there and only this. And I said, well, I'll take that. How much do you want for it? And he said, you can just have it. So I got it for free. It's Royal Kent's collection, Poland, but it's just a saucer. But I'm going to put that in my china cabinet. And then the next thing is this one place had a bunch of tables of clothing. And as I started digging through them, they were $1 a piece or 5 for $1. So between Charlie and me, we got $2 worth of stuff. These are for my son. They're just plain t-shirts, but they were $1 a piece. Well, actually, they were less than that. They were 20 cents a piece because we got 5 for $1. So kind of off colors, but he wears them under his short sleeve button-up shirts for work. And then this one, I don't know whether Charlie picked it out or I did, but we kind of fought over it and I got it. So this is for me. I love the flower on it. So this is not a new one. And it's a little big, but it'll do. And then I got this. It's a skirt, but I, of course, got it for the lace. Now, let me see. I don't know what size it is. Oh, and it has my name in it. That might have helped. I don't see a size on it. They had them on tables by size. Like, one was small, one was medium large, and the other one was extra large and 1X, and then there was a 2X table too, so they had a variety. But anyway, I got it for the lace. So for 20 cents, I thought not bad, right? And then I got this one also for the lace. Let's see, it also says Deb. I can't read it, but there again, I got this, definitely this one for the lace. So I can cut that apart and use it on something. And this one is brand new. I got this to maybe wear as a beach cover-up. It's a 1X because my beach cover-ups kind of, look, $46 new. It's on sale at Boscov's for $2.99, Presswick and more. But I got it for 20 cents. So it's got like 3/4 sleeve things, and I thought that would make a decent beach cover-up for my bathing suit. Not that I go swimming very often, but you know. So that is the clothing part. And then, let's see, I got this box brand new for $1, and I know when they're on sale they run $2 to $2.50. So it's still in the plastic wrapping, and it's a Recollections box. It still has cards in it, 10 dividers also. So I thought, you know, a little pricey for a yard sale, but not bad. This I got for 50 cents. It's a, it's got like this thing that comes off for stenciling, and it's a photo album, I think, but it's plastic, and I thought I could alter this at some point. So let me open it and see, because I actually asked the lady what it was, and she said, it's like a photo album. And she said, you remember the days when? I really didn't remember, because I've only been doing paper crafting for 2 years, so this probably predates my history in paper crafting. So this is like a little, yeah, removable stencil thing with stars and little designs on it. And then this is kind of ugly, but I would definitely cover that. Okay, it's got a different kind of attachment here, like these little strips that pull. I've never seen that. And then these are, they have like a plastic edge, but otherwise they're smooth. I think this will be great as a journal kind of thing. I'm trying to see how these are hooked in. They're okay. There's just like a little plastic loop on the end of each page. So kind of cool. Okay. Memory keeping at its best. 7x7. Double dips instructions is what it says. So cool. An exceptional album, guaranteed. So it is an album, and I got it for 50 cents, brand new, still in the plastic, not anymore, obviously. And it came with this cool stencil. So I'm going to take a peek at that at some point and see what the intended purpose, or how to use it, the intended purpose was. So that's that. And then these were all, that and these were all from the same place. Let me just get them all out of the bag, and then we will show you everything. Okay, so first, these Sizzix. This was $1. Doodle with Dazzle. These are Sizzlets. They're those square little ones. I think I have 1 or 2 of these. It says compatible with Sizzix Sidekick, Big Kick, and Big Shot machine. So hopefully with, yeah, I have a Big Kick, so that would work with this. And I think there's an adapter in this one anyway. So this is what they look like. 50% of actual size, and it has all these letters with the stars hanging down. So I thought that was cute for $1. And then in this box, which I got the box for too, there's more Sizzlix, and these are empty, but they're in here. So it has Heart Funky number 4, Gift number 3. It's like a gift box. There's another Heart Funky number 2, Party and Hat, Heart Funky number 3, Birthday Cake, Heart Paisley. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe I should. And this one's called Scribbles number 3. So scribble hearts and other scribbles. I don't know if you're seeing that. Anyway, this one is Happy Birthday. It's the words. And this is the adapter. This is Scribbles number 1. Oh, that's a kind of cool heart with wings. And then there's these 2 little plates that I guess went with a Sidekick and a piece of chalk. So anyway, those were all in here. Here were some of them. There's the heart with the wings. And I made sure before I bought it that, because these are empty, that they were in here. So they were. So I got that for $3. And then this I got for 25 cents. It's just index cards and a little index card holder, which is unopened yet, I think. I got them for $1 though. Oh, there's some in here. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it's full of index cards. So I really don't need index cards, but I thought it was a cool case. And brand new pack of index cards I can use for altering. And then these were in a big box. They were 50 cents a piece. So I got this cameo brooch. I don't think it's antique or worth that much, but it's worth 50 cents, and I can put it on something. It's blue, light blue with white, and I think it's probably resin. It's not a good one. Okay, so I got that. I got this just because it's patriotic and I can take it apart or whatever. It's got these little flag charms on it. It's a stretchy. So, yeah. Anyway. These were pretty. Crystal Avenue. Made in the USA. $2.99 originally, so nothing special, but I love the color. I will wear them probably. These say Capricorn, and I am, so I had to get these. And there's 2 of them. They're earrings, but I'll probably take them apart. Not wear them as earrings. It's not my style earring, but I like it for a pendant or something. And then this one is a pretty little dainty necklace, and I love the colors of it. Hang on. Or I can take that off and use it on something. And it has a fine little chain with it. Looks like the extender's about 3 inches. Or maybe they just put that on because you wouldn't be able to hook that clasp into that fine chain. This one, It's another stretchy. I just got it for the beads. I've seen these for $1 or $2 in places like AC Moore. It's actually too big on me anyway, but I got it for the beads. So for 50 cents, not bad, right? And then this one, I don't even remember getting. There were like 3 boxes on the table, and I was rooting through, and finally Charlie's like, "Are you ready?" I'm like, almost. But it was we started off as a disappointing day because we had seen a sign for a community one on Friday night, and then we went there. This is all tangled up. We went there the next morning, and the sign was gone, and so it must have been an old sign. Oh, I got to take apart these flower pieces. Look at those. Wouldn't they be pretty on a journal or something? Gorgeous. That one's missing a stone, but I could probably cut that apart and just use these pieces. There we go. So for 50 cents, I thought that was another good one. And then this one is a cross, and it's like almost looks like black spinel in it, which is really pretty. So I like that. I actually like this maybe to wear. I might clean the chain up and see. And then this, I just liked it for the beads. These are like shell beads and seed beads. The seed beads I don't care about because I have tons of seed beads, but I actually have tons of shell too, but they're unusual shapes, and I thought they were cool, and the colors are cool. So this was probably, and it's heavy. It's got some weight to it. Anyway, I just got that for some of the shell beads off of it for 50 cents. So those were my little jewelry piece finds. We move them back to use either for jewelry or crafting. Oops, this I missed. Okay, then next up was the last place, one of the last places we stopped. And it was a repeat seller, and we knew that, but she had some things out that I didn't see before. So I got this pack. She had about 8 different packs of sort of vintage cards. It's by Congress, Cellutone finish. I didn't like the other patterns on it. There was one that had like strawberries and blueberries I thought about, but for 25 cents, I mean, really? And I don't really care if the cards aren't all here, but they appear to be. So all these pretty birds are in here. But these are good for altering. These are definitely used, so they're, I'm sure, vintage. And the box is pretty cool. So I got those for $1. I got all 4 packs of these Jolie's Boutiques pine cones for $1 each. So that was $1 for all 4. I think they're really pretty. So for some winter project. And I got these for 50 cents, the Recollections. I actually like the pine cones better, but these are for fall-ish too. They've got leaves, family, give thanks. So they're more for Thanksgiving. And then this whole pack of lacy seam binding was $1. And they're old, but I have gray, blue, navy blue, black, a lace, a brown lace, 2 brown laces, another black, and the red one is regular seam binding. It looks like wide seam binding, and then pink, and then of course it's wrapped in this orange. So I thought that wasn't bad for $1. And lastly, I got this bag. Now this was $2, which was a little pricey, and what I got it for is this blue and teal and red stuff, but these feathers are falling apart, and I really did not really want them, but there they are. So anyway, and I don't really need these ropes, but maybe I can use them for something, I don't know. But these, so here's a red one. Let me pull them all out. Let me dump them all out. Sorry for the noise. I couldn't even really see everything that was in the bag, but I got it for these trims. So this is like a fringe trim in red, and then there's, they're all tangled up. They're hooked together. Oh no, no. I don't know why it's hooked together there. Okay, that apparently had been on the same card. Yeah. So the blue one is also the same kind of fringe, and then there's this kind of stuff which is kind of ugly and might get in the trash. And then this blue one, it's a little bit shorter trim. It's like a loopy. I might rinse these out and wash them or something. And then this one is like a teal with gold loopy fringe. So I got them. And then there's this purpley trim, which I think would look good on a gypsy book, right? And we have a couple, this thing with tassels on it. I don't know. These I didn't really care for that much. Some gold rickrack, a little bit of gold ribbon. This gold, like a metallic trim. Yeah, metallics. So that's kind of pretty. This is like a gold seam binding ribbon almost. Huh. Valley Forge Christian Cottage. Admit one. I don't think that was it at all. Yeah, it's gonna tear it if I take it off. This one, which is pretty. It's another one like that purpley one I just showed you, only in blue. So that's pretty. And then this gold metallic, Christmas time. It was 93 cents at Walmart at some point, and then on sale for like 20 some cents. So anyway, and then this gold one, which is a little different. It's woven. And this gold one, which is like a 3/8 inch one. And then this one, anyway, I can use them. And some little bits of ribbon, little bits of, I don't know if these are elastic. I don't want to open it. Let's see. Yeah, elastic cord kit, gold, black, and white. They paid 25 cents somewhere, but so I guess I did approximately 2. So anyway, that whole bag was $2. And like I said, I'm not crazy for the ribbons. I mean the feathers or this stuff, which is like curtain tassels. But the rest of it I can do something with, and maybe this could wrap around a book too, like this, and have the tassel down the side or something. I don't know, we'll see. And this I think has tassels on. This I'd more likely use on a book. Not that I do a ton of books, but anyway. So that is my yard sale find for this weekend. It was a pretty fun day, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back maybe either Monday or Tuesday. I have to babysit on Sunday, so I probably won't be on much. All right, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.